the Petros problem. It's nothing. It's just what is written in the law and what is our right. That's all. So we have to, work for both sides.
Yeah.
And then I think MA 63 is an agreement. And then we lodge in United Nations. It's a document registered with United Nations for the establishment of Malaysia. And that is part of the right we have agreed between the federal government of Malaysia, British government, and of course the state government. And that right is part of the thing that we have to execute. So I think actually is no controversy on that part because everything is there. I'm bringing here the law.
Okay. Yeah, last time also you bring a book.
It's about PDA.
Okay.
You see, this is the law on PDA. They got how many sections here? Then I'm not talking from the air.
Yeah.
See? There are, let me see, there are 10. The last one is definition.
Okay.
And under 8, saving. Save for section 14 thereof, the Petroleum Mining Act 1966 shall not apply to Petronas.
Okay.
In other words, Petronas got everything except for section 14, Petroleum Mining Act. What is section 14?
Okay.
Permission to enter upon unattended land. You must get the permission. In other words, if they want to enter to Sarawak land, they have to ask permission under the Petroleum Mining Act.
Okay.
And this is the law. This is the federal law. And in the Constitution itself, under the federal list, they say 8J, mining, all that, subject to 2C of the state list. 2C is meaning you have to seek permission from the state. And this is the law. Not that I want it. You mentioned it in the law.
Okay.
So I just execute the law. I do not want people. They say PDA is arcing. Absolute. It's not absolute. Because it said there, saving. And I'm just interpreting the law. No?
Okay.
So when Sarawak ask it, bukan mana Sarawak minta. No.
Yeah.
Sarawak ikut undang-undang.
Yeah, Yang Moh, I can see that you come well prepared.
After all, Rukun Negara say undang-undang. Orang Sarawak memang ikut undang-undang.